few minutes. Talk like someone really depressed would talk. It won't be long before you feel awfully depressed. Or put a smirk on your face, like someone with a really bad attitude would wear. Cock your hip and cross your arms. Look for problems like someone with a bad attitude would. I guarantee that before long you'll be supporting a genuine a bad attitude. Now think of someone you know who has a wonderful attitude. See how this person would sit. Speak up like a person with a wonderful disposition would speak. Respond with gentle yet affirming nods when someone is speaking to you. I assure you it won't be long before you see signs of a wonderful attitude in yourself. Even though it may feel a bit awkward to you at first, don't slam back in